Alright, quick news update for Shiba Inu. So, as you can see, CoinDesk and a few others have confirmed that Shiba Inu, among a few other altcoins, have been added to Robinhood. Now, the 4 cryptos that made it to this list were, of course, Shiba, Solana, Polygon, and Compound. So, while this is good in my opinion for all of them, it seems like the Dogecoins are really rallying to this the hardest. Now, if you're not in the Twitter space, and you don't follow, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu fans have basically been harassing Robinhood for months and months and months trying to get them to list. So I really think this is great news that we're seeing. And while in the short term it hasn't necessarily reset the bearish momentum, it is really, really pushing for it. We're seeing some nice volume coming in. If we look at the 4-hour, we've massively pumped above these EMA ribbons, which I still would like to highlight are bearish. But I think what we're seeing right now could definitely be a tide changer where we do flip the news. Now, this, like I said, this has really only been confirmed like an hour ago, so I'm going to put this out as quick as I can. I'm not going to make this a full TA video because, nothing has really changed. Your moon line is still up here at 3140. I do believe that Shiba Inu will have a massive pump once we do get above the 200-day moving average. Potentially even a rally coming near the all-time high. On the daily, you can see, once again, like I said, it hasn't necessarily changed anything in the macro term yet, as we're still below these EMA ribbons. But we're really starting to look good. We're resetting bearish momentum. On the daily, we have not had enough time for the squeeze mom to, start to head to the downside. But nonetheless, the 4-hour is really, really pushing back down. This is really what we wanted to see because it was getting kind of shaky. And, we were predicting, potentially a move down to these local lows that we'd had down here at the 786. Obviously, none of us could foresee this news coming in. So I'm going to remove my target. From what I can see, Shiba Inu looks pretty good. The good news is also carrying over to the Dogecoins, and Dogecoin similarly is flipping the EMA ribbons on the daily, which is really, really good. This is really the type of thing we needed to see. We're seeing a bullish engulfing candle. Bitcoin is having a very slight bounce, nothing too major. But yeah, I think this is really good. I think it's great that these were just released at a moment's notice. I think if they were announced that they were going to release, then it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news type event. But as these have just been sprung, on us like an hour ago, then, I really have no problems with this. I think this looks great. I think we're about to see a reversal for Shiba Inu, but nonetheless, 200-day needs to be taken out. I can't be too macro bullish on Shiba Inu while we are still in a very clear downtrend, and I think this downtrend will subside very soon. Once again, I think we could be getting ready for a big face tear, but the 200-day needs to die. Like, we need to take this out solidly, close a daily and a weekly above it. The same for Dogecoin as well. 200-day needs to be taken out, so they're very similar. Nonetheless, just a quick video to let you know we are pushing up very strongly. We've got some decent volume coming in the lower time frames, and yeah, while Robinhood hasn't confirmed this themselves, CoinDesk is a very reliable source of information, so I do trust them when they say this. So that's all I've got. Great news that we've got for these 4 tokens, but Shiba Inu reacting to this the nicest. I don't think Solana is. Solana's pumping, don't get me wrong, but Shiba Inu is definitely pumping harder than the other ones that were listed. So all in all, looks great. Let's take out the 200-day and then we can get super bullish on Shiba. That's all I've got for you for this video. Cowboy out. Peace. Not financial advice.